As the holiday begins, it's wise to get yourself a durable travel luggage if you plan to go on a vacation ahead. But with all these companies trying to sell you their suitcase, it's easy to end up with a travel bag that won't fit all your necessities or the material is not of good quality. But that's where we come in. We have compiled the top 6 best travel luggages that we hand tested and did an extensive research to make sure we give you the best in terms of its durability, space, features, and its lightweight. Links of all the products are in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Number 6. Delzy Paris Expandable Luggage. This has easily become people's popular choice for its affordable price point while offering many decent features. You can stroll through a busy airport or street, turning heads due to its sleek and robust design. This is not just for aesthetics, but its durable construction ensures your belongings stay protected against the bumps and scratches of travel. It features impressive expandable design that gives you that extra space for all your important necessities with ease. You can also effortlessly glide through the busy streets thanks to its smooth, stable, and easy to maneuver spinner wheels. It also comes with multiple compartments to keep your items neatly organized, that also makes packing and unpacking easy and convenient. The TSA-approved combination lock adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring all your belongings are secure and fit enough. You can also add a bit of punch and style by choosing among its variety of colors. That will also make it easier to spot your luggage on the carousel. If you are looking for a more budget-friendly option that won't compromise on the features, then this should be your option. Number 5. Coolift 3-piece set suitcase, spinner hardshell. If you are looking for a set of various sizes for the whole family before the trip, then this 3-piece set is for you. This was the most durable luggage we tested. Crafted with a sturdy hardshell construction, these suitcases ensure that your belongings remain well protected throughout your journey. Navigating it around was also a smooth experience, thanks to the efficient spinner wheels that exhibited durability and ease of movement. The lightweight design significantly eased the overall travel experience, reducing the strain of handling heavy luggage. The inclusion of a TSA-approved lock also adds an extra layer of security, providing peace of mind during your travels. With 3 different sized suitcases, the Coolift set caters to various travel needs, offering flexibility for short getaways or extended vacations. And all this at an affordable price point. This is definitely worth investing in. Number 4. Briggs & Riley Simpatico Hardside Domestic Spinner Luggage. This was hands down our best durable suitcase in terms of its longevity, the features it has, and thought and detail included for every traveler. It offers a level of durability that stands the test of time, protecting your belongings throughout your adventures, thanks to its robust hardside construction. It has smooth spinner wheels that glides easily on any type of floor or even dynamic landscapes. If your necessities become more than you expected, it features an expansion design that can let you fit everything you need seamlessly with ease. It also features a smart interior design with different pockets, compartments, and dividers to avoid a messy arrangement. Besides, it features a domestic size optimization. So whether you're jetting off for a quick business trip or a leisurely weekend getaway, the Briggs Simpatico ensures that your journey begins with a stress-free check-in, effortlessly meeting the specific size requirements of various airlines. While its high price point might shy those with a budget from purchase, this is hands down worth your investment, time, and money by all means. Number 3. Delzy Chatelaire Hardside 2.0 Luggage. If you are looking for a more stylish luggage bag without compromising on how good it should be or its durability, then the Delzy Paris achieves this status. Besides aesthetics, the hardside construction ensures durability, standing strong against the rigors of travel while maintaining its stylish exterior. Smooth rolling spinner wheels make maneuvering through crowded terminals a breeze, adding a touch of convenience to your journey. It also has a brake system that adds a thoughtful touch for stability on uneven surfaces and prevents your luggage from rolling away uncontrolled, showcasing attention to detail. The Chatelaire Hardside luggage also offers a well-organized interior with multiple compartments, pockets, and straps, ensuring that everything has its designated place, eliminating the chaos of packing and unpacking or even messy arrangements. Security is also key as it features a secure tight lock that not only keeps your items safe, but adds an overall touch to the elegant design. Overall, you can't really go wrong when choosing this travel luggage. From its durability to its stylish design, it's definitely worth your purchase. Number 2. Samsonite Freeform Hardside Expandable Luggage. When we talk about durable suitcases, we want toughness that can withstand great falls or even rigorous conditions, and this is well executed with this Samsonite Freeform bag. Its hardshell construction offers durability, ensuring that your belongings stay well protected during the bumps of travel. It offers an expandable design that ensures you snug your excess necessities easily without inflating your suitcase. You can glide through terminals effortlessly with the double spinner wheels that have a 360-degree maneuverability, making it a smooth experience to navigate through crowded areas. We found it very easy to handle, reducing the strain on your travels thanks to its insane lightweight design, alleviating some of the travel fatigue. It also has a well-organized interior that helping you keep your items neatly arranged throughout your journey. With so many features and at an affordable entry price point, we can't really exhaust how impressed we were with this travel luggage. Number 1. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Expandable Carry-On Luggage. This was our overall top pick as the best travel luggage for its enhanced powerhouse features at a decent entry price point. Though it might not be as aesthetically pleasing like the Samsonite Freeform or Delzy Chatelaire, don't let its soft side fool you. It's tough. It features expandable design that provides additional space, accommodating last-minute purchases or ensuring you have room for necessities without compromising the sleek profile of the suitcase. We found it way more easier to maneuver than all the other travel bags we tested, thanks to its 360 precision glide spinner wheels, making it less effort and more ease to move during travels. It has a built-in fold-out suitor that will be more efficient for all the business travels, making sure you step out polished, minimizing wrinkles on your garments or suit. We also found the contoured grip handle very comfortable to hold while we moved around. That will definitely offer a practical touch for those who appreciate the little conveniences. The Travel Pro also features an external USB port that allows you to conveniently charge your devices, ensuring you're powered up for your adventures while on the go. For its style, durability, and practical features, this will definitely impress everyone seeking for a long-term travel bag. We found it way attentive to the small details that everyone could appreciate in the long run. When choosing the right travel bag, it's wise to consider how long you are going to stay for the trip or the vacation. If it's casual business, you might need an easy-to-maneuver and lightweight travel luggage for airport convenience and checkouts. But if you plan to stay for longer weeks vacation, it's important to choose a durable and ample packing space luggage to fit all your necessary belongings. It's also important to check their specific warranty, as some of them offer lifetime warranties to give you peace of mind in the long run. But that's all for the video. If any of the travel luggage caught your eye, don't forget all of the links are in the description below. If you also found our review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews on products and tech. Drive responsibly. Take care and safe travels.